Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to revolutionize your cleaning routine, the 10S Fast Heating Heavy Duty Steam Cleaner. We found this remarkable steamer online, and we've included the link in the description below so you can check out the latest price and availability for yourself. Now, let's talk about what makes this steam cleaner stand out. The 10S Steam Cleaner is a powerful handheld device designed to tackle some of the toughest cleaning challenges you might face. With a robust 2500W motor, it delivers steam at an impressive 212 degrees Fahrenheit 100 degrees Celsius and a pressure of 6 bar, making it an excellent choice for eliminating stubborn stains on tile, grout, and more. If you've been struggling with grease and grime, this cleaner could be the game changer you've been looking for. One of the most impressive features of the 10S Steam Cleaner is its instant heating capability. In just 10 seconds, it heats up and is ready to go, allowing you to start cleaning immediately without the frustrating wait. This feature is particularly useful for busy households where time is of the essence. Whether it's that pesky kitchen grease or bathroom grime, this steamer allows you to clean faster and more efficiently, helping you enjoy a cleaner home without the hassle. Additionally, the 10S Steam Cleaner comes equipped with a max button that boosts steam power for those particularly tough cleaning jobs. If you're facing hard-to-reach areas or stubborn stains that just won't budge, this feature provides a concentrated burst of steam that can tackle even the most challenging messes with ease. Now, who is this steam cleaner suitable for? Well, its versatility makes it a great fit for a variety of users. Whether you're a busy parent looking to manage daily messes, a pet owner dealing with fur and odors, or someone who simply wants to maintain a pristine home, the 10S Steam Cleaner can handle it all. It's also perfect for office spaces or even your car, making it a multi-purpose tool that can address various cleaning needs. Speaking of practical uses, let's explore some scenarios where the steam cleaner shines. Imagine tackling dirty tile floors in your kitchen or bathroom with ease. The powerful steam penetrates deep into the grime, leaving your surfaces sparkling clean. You can also use it to freshen up upholstery and eliminate odors, making it ideal for cleaning your car's interior. The 1.6L large-capacity water tank means you won't need to stop frequently to refill, allowing you to cover more ground in less time. This feature is especially beneficial when you're cleaning large areas or multiple surfaces. The 10S Steam Cleaner comes with 15 accessories, enhancing its versatility even further. From brushes to nozzles, each accessory is designed to help you tackle different cleaning tasks, whether it's scrubbing tough surfaces or reaching tight spots. This means you have everything you need to maintain a clean and fresh environment, whether at home, in the office, or on the go. In conclusion, the 10S Fast Heating Heavy Duty Steam Cleaner is a formidable ally in your cleaning arsenal. With its unmatched power, quick heating, and versatile accessories, it makes deep cleaning easier and more efficient than ever. If you're looking for a reliable solution to keep your home, office, or car spotless, this steam cleaner is worth considering. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.